Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to replace a halogen lamp with a LED lamp. This type of halogen lamp are installed in your car and you can able to replace it with a LED lamp, because with the help of LED lamp you could able to enhance your car battery life, because LED headlamp always consume much more lesser power and give a more bright light compared to that of halogen. So let's see how we could able to install. So you can see the base part which is installed can be removed. So let's see how we could able to install it. So for your information, I have purchased this lamp only at rupees 200 each. So at about 400 to 500 rupees you will get two number of this lamp. So heat sinking is provided with a fan. There are three LED, two are parallel to each other and will be at the top part, and the bottom LED are a little bit offset and will be installed in down position. So you can see it here. The similar and parallel LEDs will be at top part and the offset LED will be at the bottom part. So first of all you have to open the socket, female socket. I am just opening the female socket from the back side of the lamp. Now we have to remove the dust cover. After that you have to unclip the halogen bulb. Now first open the base of the LED lamp and install it. You can see I have just opened the base part and I am now installing it to its position. You can see friend, I have just installed the base part of the LED. Like this way. So after that don't install the LED, first install the dust cover. This type of LED can be installed with dust cover, there is no issue, but you have to install it properly. So friend, you can see so friend, after installation let's see what is the power of this LED. Only 200 rupees each. And you can see it is looking amazing. So friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.